Did anyone find Huzzair? Okay, the last three numbers for you to settle down is 3. Last two numbers is 2. The last number for you to set down was that Mahedi Fardeen is 1 and Fardeen and 0. Okay, how long do you thank you everybody else except for those 3 students who are not still sitting in the circle? How long do you think you worked today?
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Yes.
You are out working for 24 minutes actually. But then how long did you work today?
22.
Okay, let's see. Let's have the honest time. Let me ask you, how many of you really worked, did not work throughout? Is there anyone here who could not work for 24 minutes today? 1, 2. Okay, so why I was talking to you, so you couldn't. Okay, I'm not going to include that. But 1, 2, 3. Anybody? No, of course, if you sat with me, that doesn't count. If you sat with me or Reena Didi here, that doesn't count. That means you worked only. So that's okay.
We work for 22.
Otherwise, is there anything else? Anybody else who thought you did not work?
No, I work
Rona? Yes, Rona. Aisha? 1, 2, 3. Anybody else?
I work for 2 is 3. First,
Okay.
I
We're going down to from 23 minutes yesterday.
21 minutes.
We're going down to 20 because I also saw one more student who was not doing it, who didn't raise their hand today. So we're going down.
We work for 21.
No, we only worked for 24 minutes today.
We only work.
So,
Only 1
can you please write down? I'm giving you 1 minute. Write down. Today's working time is 20 minutes.
Where do we write it?
30 seconds more for you. Don't leave it like that. Just keep your reading logs with you, please. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The last number for you to settle down is 1, and the last number for you to settle down is 0. Let me see how many of you are sitting down. Let me see how many of you are sitting down. Okay, I'm going to ask you to keep your reading logs. Listen to me. I'm going to ask you to keep your reading logs with yourself and do not keep it on the center table immediately because it's going to fly. Keep it with you. When you are leaving, you can leave it on the center of the table, but do not leave it now. Is that clear?
Yes.
Please keep it with you till the end of the class right now. Give it to everybody. Okay, is there anybody here? Let me see how many of you being respectful and we are going to discuss the strategy and the story very quickly. Is there anybody here who currently did a new strategy today? The strategy that I taught you today. Did someone try it out? I'm going to wait till I have everyone sitting. Let me see how many of you are being respectful when someone says something. Okay. How many of did any of you try try out the new strategy that I taught you today. Fardeen. Okay, Yashwant, can you explain to everybody what did you do to English?
I was reading the book of Little Kitten. So in that book, the kitten was making a friend by requesting her that I'm very good and I help everyone. So I write on that I had also made a friend like this tree.
Okay.
Who was she?
And who was this friend that you made?
The friend is Anushka.
And what did you do to make that strategy? What did you do when you were doing that strategy?
I took a post-it and write what did I do to impress Anushka.
Okay, you wrote down what you did. to
She
impress
just
Anushka?
did it.
Okay, good. Can anyone share a story that they've read and that was very interesting? What was very interesting? I am looking at how many of you being respectful here. Okay, Usman.
Who is the manager of the Didi? Who is the manager of this?
Yeah, I have to decide that. I'll moderate 2-3 times more and then decide. Yes. Sagar is going to be sharing a story. I have to say something here. You have your reading logs with you, but you're not being very. Sorry, Baba, you're not being respectful at all when it comes to burping. A good burpee is interested in discussing books, and I don't know what is happening to you the last couple of days. You're all getting jittery. So I'm not going to discuss the story. I want you to tell me why is it that this time you're all struggling to pay attention and burp. You used to love burp. I know that. What has happened? What has happened that you're becoming so disrespectful? Yes. 1 second. I'm asking you a question. Yes. New books are coming on Monday, but you have to give me some time to buy them. And it's not like you've all read all the books here, right? Is there any other reason why you have to behave this way? Yes or no? Then can I see brilliant behavior? Okay, now who wanted? Usman? No, Sagar wanted to share a story. We're going to listen.
The title of my